Hey everyone, Dr. Taylor Levine here at Schlick Art Studios, where today I'm going to be going over an exercise that could be helping you whether you're at home or on the go. So come follow along. For this next stretch I'm going to show you, it's going to be helpful with dealing with tightness in your chest, as well as helping regain some better posture. So with that being said, what we're going to do is be stretching our chest muscle out. Now, this muscle has two different fibers, so my arm position is going to be in two different areas so we can get both of those fibers stretched appropriately. For this example, I'm going to show you how to do it off of a wall, but you can also do it out of a door frame as well. So what we're going to do, first we're going to start with our arm at a 90-degree angle up against the wall. And at this point here, we're going to press forward and rotate out from it. And we should start to feel a nice stretch through our pec muscle right through here. We're going to hold this stretch for anywhere from 15 to 30 seconds, and then we're going to relax. Now, the next phase of this is to get the secondary fiber in our chest, and I'm going to bring my arm vertical a little bit. Doesn't have to be super high, just has to be a little bit more vertical, and we're going to do the same thing. I'm going to lean forward and rotate outward, and I'm going to feel that stretch right through that secondary strands of muscles in our pec major. Now, I'm going to now relax this, and we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Whether you have issues on the right side or the left side, it's always good to stretch both pec muscles out at the same time to create better symmetry and regain that postural integrity that you're looking for. Again, I'm Dr. Taylor Levine from Unruh Spine Center. If you have any questions or concerns about any of the techniques that I showed you here today with regards to the stretches and/or exercises, please feel free to come into my office and we can chat about it. Talk again soon.